Hi guys, might you be in a similar situation to mine, that you have a workstation that is always full of tools, material, lots of things, your personal items, and you're here trying to work on that piece that you're drilling, and sometimes you lack a place that you can just place your drill safely until the next drilling hole. So if that's your problem, then I'm just going to show you how I made this dock, this drill dock, that when I'm working, I have a station that I can just slip my drill into the dock, and when I need it, I can just pull it out and just drill into the material, and that makes my work easier. So if that's you, watch until the end. You're going to need your drill, of course, so that you can measure the size that you're going to cut out. You're also going to need a hacksaw to use to cut the pipe. You're also going to need a pipe which is about 14 centimeters in length or 140 mm. You're going to need a ruler to measure, a pencil, and you can also use an angle grinder to cut if you don't have a hacksaw. So what we begin by doing is by measuring the allowance in which I want the drill to be docking. So I'm just going to measure that width, which is about 6 centimeters. And you're going to go ahead and make markings on your piece of plastic, and then just draw a straight line on that end and draw another straight line on this other end. Then what you're going to do is that you're going to measure, because we don't want to cut out until the end so that the pipe retains its strength, we're just going to measure about 8 centimeters from that end to there, and then just draw a straight line across. And then we're going to draw another indent, which is like a small valley. Just going to come closer and show you. So there's that line, and there's this other line that we draw. So we are going to cut out all this so that the drill will be docking there. This small space is for the trigger to rest in a comfortable place. So now you just go ahead and cut out that. There you have it. So now we've cut it out, and I'm just going to show you how the drill is going to be docking. So when you're using your drill and you want to place it aside, so this will be attached on the wall or on the side of your workbench, then you can just rest it like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and install it right next to my workstation, and you're just going to screw that in. So once you've screwed it in, so now you'll see that it's a really nice dock for your drill while you're using it. It's easy to reach out and grab it, drill, then return it to that place. So guys, my hope is that you learned something new today about installing a drill dock right next to your workstation. So this is the workstation. This is the table that I mostly work from, and this is the next small table slash storage unit that I use. And as you can see, I have some other tools on the side, so I decided to create a docking station for that tool. Remember, this is not the permanent storage for that tool. I'll store it in its drill box, but this is just for ease of access while I'm using it constantly. My hope is that you learned something new today, Subscribe, share, like the video. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.